Hello, welcome to COMPUHELP. Today we will learn about आज हम सीखेंगे ट्री इन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. सो ट्री इन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. सो ट्री इन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में हमने यहाँ पे कुछ देखना है. दिस इज द ट्री स्ट्रक्चर विच इज अ काइंड ऑफ योर हायरार्किकल स्ट्रक्चर, जिसमें जो सब ये सारी की सारी आप इनको ये कह सकते हैं कि सारी की सारी ये नोड्स हैं. So सबसे पहले the first of all if we'll talk about this one element or you can say node is the root node. This one is the root node. अब ये जो root node है ये tree की first node है, the very first node. After it अगर आप देखें तो ये जो है ये B वाला it is the child of this root node. Even C is the child of this root node A, and if D and also D is the child of the root node A. And next is, if you talk about E, it is also a child but of B. E is a child of B, so E जो है वो B का child है, F भी B का child है. So like this. And even you can say now this is a subtree. ये जो है this is a subtree. This whole is a subtree. Subtree of the node D. इस subtree का जो पेरेंट है वो है D. So ट्री के अंदर उसका एक और पार्ट जो हो गया उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Subtree. The part of a tree is subtree. This is also a subtree. This is also subtree. Next other thing. Now this one अगर आपने यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक if you find from A to you can say the J, this is what the maximum number of nodes or the maximum number of edges are here. So the height of this tree is the number of edges, that is 1 2 3. So the height of this tree is 1 2 3, means these are the edges basically. This is an edge from here to here, from here to here, this is an edge. So the height is the maximum number of edges by traversing at one side. तो जब आप एक तरफ जाते हैं तो आपका मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जो एजेस आते हैं जैसे 1 2 और 3, ये आपका है हाइट. एंड डेप्थ मीन्स आप डेप्थ तो किसी की भी निकाल सकते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो डेप्थ एंड हाइट इज द सेम बेसिकली. सो द हाइट ऑफ द डेप्थ ऑफ जी इज लाइक 1 2. नेक्स्ट इज योर लेवल. So the level of A is 0, starting from 0 from the root node. The level of 1 means the level of D is 1, even B and C also. And the level of F, G, H, E is 2, and the level of I, J is 3. And the last nodes जिनका कोई भी आगे child नहीं है, like this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. These are known as your leaf nodes. These are leaf nodes, and these are the parents. Like you can say the B is the parent of E and the B is the parent of F. This is the left child and this is the right child. This is the left child and this is the right child. This is the descendant, means child, you can say. Or the leaf node, the second name is terminal nodes. Sibling means they are both having the same parent. Like this B, C and D, they are the siblings of, you can say they are the siblings with each other because they are the siblings of A. Means you can say they are the 3 children of A, not siblings but the children of A. So like this is depth, parent, leaf node, height, levels, root. This is basically, if you want to understand a tree structure, you can understand like this. Thank you very much.